So every single day we are seeing more news of the destruction and the devastation left by this invasion.
As the crisis continues, doctors want to remind you to take care of your mental health, as what's unfolding can certainly be a lot to take in. 6 News reporter Bailey Bates is live for us in studio tonight with some advice from a clinical psychologist. Hi, Bailey.
Hi, Chris. Leslie. Doctors say the crisis is bringing a lot of different emotions, feelings, and issues to people in the midst of it and those watching from afar. All eyes on Ukraine as Russia's invasion presses on. News articles, social media posts, and live footage 24/7. It's surrounding us, and doctors warn if not careful, it can be harmful to your mental health.
Remember what your job is, which is not to keep an eye on global politics and the nuclear arsenals of our country and other countries.
Dr. Kevin Gilliland is a clinical psychologist and the executive director of Innovation 360. He says it's okay to stay up to date, but try not to get upset by what you can't control.
Obviously, there are things none of us know for very good reasons, and just don't get too far ahead. And that's what anxiety and fear wants us to do.
He says the future for those in Ukraine and also the rest of the world adds to the stress.
Don't let your worry yank you that far into the future, because I promise you, nobody can answer those questions. So don't wreck today.
Easier said than done after the last 2 stressful years we've had with the pandemic and a recession.
That kind of daily chronic stress wears us down, which is really difficult for us now to look at this situation, because emotionally we're a little more raw, we're not as patient, and we're not far from sort of being overwhelmed.
He says we should limit how much media we're taking in, realize how our mind is reacting to the information, and also surround ourselves with support.
Strong support systems, family support, and people that use active coping strategies and manage their emotions.
Now, this is just advice from Dr. Gilliland, and you should seek medical help or advice from your own doctor or healthcare provider if you are experiencing any depression, anxiety, or PTSD from what we're seeing going on in Ukraine. Back to you guys.